Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to cash out and withdraw your Roundups on Cash App. So let's get started. First, open Cash App and sign in into your account. Next, tap the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Savings. Before withdrawing anything, make sure that Roundups are turned on. This feature automatically saves your spare change from eligible purchase into your saving balance. Once you have the money saved through Roundups, you will see it in your saving accounts. To withdraw the funds, simply tap Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to move, then confirm the transfer. The money will be moved from your savings balance to your available Cash App balance, where you can spend it, send it, or transfer it into your bank account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.